Hey lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Peshi. In today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make a lip scrub using these ingredients on the screen. Let's get started. So first you're going to need some sugar. As you have seen, some of the ingredients are really optional. You can choose to use them or not use them, it's all up to you, but basically you need sugar and coconut oil. So I'm putting all of these in a bowl. Next thing, let's extract some lemon juice. And finally, let's add some honey. So you don't necessarily have to measure these, you just put them together and mix them until you get the consistency that you want. So I'm going to start mixing it right now. So this lip scrub is going to help moisturizing your lips, and it's also going to help to exfoliate them, to remove all this dead skin on your lips so that you have very smooth lips. So winter is coming and you don't want to walk around with chapped lips. So if you do have lips that are a bit, problematic like mine, then you definitely need this, so that you just make sure that you are ready for it. Okay, so normally I don't use it every day. I use it like 2 or 3 times per month, just depending on how my lips are. So just make sure that you do not overdo it, because over exfoliation can irritate your lips and you don't want that. So apart from all the goodness of this lip scrub that you can make using the ingredients that you most likely already have, it can also accidentally get into your mouth and it's so yummy. I mean, it's a yummy snack. Okay, fine, forget I said that. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys, so that you don't miss any of my videos, and also make sure to turn on that notification bell. Okay, so as you can see now, I'm now putting the lip scrub into these teeny tiny containers of mine, and so the remaining I'm going to put it in a bigger container and store it in the fridge. So this is it. It's easy to make. Let me go take pictures for the thumbnail. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.